Hello students, I am Soumitra Singh Thakur, founder of the School Excellence Program. Exams don't end with submitting your answer sheet. They are an opportunity to learn and improve for the next one. Today, I'll share a step-by-step strategy to analyze your performance and refine your preparation for the remaining exams. The first step is to evaluate how you performed in the exam you just completed. Think about the questions you found easy and those you struggled with. Recall if you managed your time well or if you felt rushed towards the end. Identify any areas where you might have misread the question or written incomplete answers. Write down these reflections in a notebook to avoid repeating mistakes in upcoming exams. Understanding where you went right or wrong can help you fine-tune your strategy. After the exam, carefully go through the question and compare it with what you remember writing. Match your responses with key points or diagrams from your notes or NCERT textbooks. Focus on questions that require logical reasoning or application to check if you addressed them correctly. Discuss the paper with teachers or peers to gain additional insight. Once you have analyzed your performance, use that insight to improve your approach. If you struggled with time, allocate specific minutes to each section during the next exam. Focus on improving your structure, including diagrams, keywords, or relevant examples. Spend extra time on the topics, questions you found challenging in this exam. Practice sample papers for the upcoming subject with these adjustments to build confidence and accuracy. This brings us to the end of our exam preparation series. I hope these videos have been a valuable resources in guiding you through this important phase of your academic journey. If you found this content helpful, I encourage you to subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and share your feedback or questions in the comment section. To further support your preparation, I have made detailed resources and subject-specific strategies freely available on my website, theschoolexcel.com. Teachers and principals can also access these resources to share them with their students, ensuring they are well equipped for their exams. If you have any doubts or need personalized guidance, feel free to email me at contact@theschoolexcel.com. I am here to assist you at every step. Thank you for being a part of this series. Stay positive, stay determined, and approach your exams with confidence. Wishing you all the very best for your board exams. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. See you soon. Thank you.